So today we're working on a 2017 Chevy Cruze, and we changed out the water outlet. And you have three, I believe it's the E10s, but I just use a regular 8mm socket to get to it. And to do this job, you have to disconnect this intake hose. Then you just gotta remove. I removed it from here because I didn't want to damage this little plastic connector piece. I disconnected it from here. Took the reservoir out the way. Just two 10mm bolts. Reservoir out the way. Got to put it to the side. Then I was able to access the clamp here. This clamp down there with a vise. And to get this actual piece out, you just take this little clip out, and you can just wiggle this out gently. You can move it out the way. And then I didn't take the hoses off. I took the hoses off last. What I did was I just unbolted the screws. Unbolted the screws first, because now you have wiggle room to actually get access to the clamps. So you have a clamp here, you have a clamp below, and I recommend you to position the clamp to the side. The reason why is because you have this oil filter housing, the oil filter, and sometimes it's kind of difficult to get to with the clamp in the way. So I just repositioned it to the side, so it's not in the way of the oil filter cap. And also you have another sensor here you got to disconnect, right? And that's pretty much it. Once you take it off, you just follow the steps in reverse. This is a Chevy Cruze, and it's a 1.4 turbo. Customer was stating that it was leaking antifreeze, and yeah, we duplicated that. The water outlet gasket was defective, and here's the gasket here. It was hard and brittle, so we just wound up changing out this whole assembly. So this piece with the antifreeze, it came out to around about 80 bucks from O'Reilly's. Okay, and the part number is going to be this 902846 Dorman. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, and I'll be happy to help you.